Let's go over the feature of how to import your own character into Doodly. So the first thing that we're going to do is you'll notice that we have the plus symbol under the character tab. So we'll go ahead and select that, and it'll bring up the prompt to browse for your file. So we'll go ahead on our computer and we'll browse for a file, and then we'll select that file and click open. You'll want to give that file a name and then click continue. Now when Doodly brings it into your dashboard, you have the same features that you would have with the normal characters. The number one thing that you want to remember is when you import that file, if it has a background, it is going to overlay with any of the other images that you bring in. Be sure when you bring in your own image for a character, it does not have a white background. Make sure you bring it into a third-party software, remove the white background, and then import it in.